Hey guys, today we are heading to Odaiba. We are at the Tokyo Metro Shinbashi Station. We will use Yurikamome, which is the monorail. Odaiba is one of the most popular travel spots in Tokyo. However, due to the pandemic and the state of emergency, there will be really few people there. Today, it's windy, but it's a beautiful day. In front of you, that's the Yurikamome Shinbashi Station. Compared to other lines, these Yurikamome lines are more expensive. So I don't like to use it much, however, we have to use it for going to Odaiba. Well, technically, we can get to Odaiba by bus as well. If you use the bus, it's cheaper. It's a little bit inconvenient compared to the trains, but if you want to save money and you don't mind to use the bus, probably you can use the bus. Here we go, this is the gate of Yurikamome. You can buy the ticket here. I have registered train IC card on my phone, so I can just touch my phone and I can use the train. The best part of using monorail, we can have a great view in the front seat, so I really recommend to go to the front seat if you use the monorail.
The next station is Shiodome U2. Please change it for the Odaiba Line. The next station is Takeshiba U3.
お願いします。優先席付近では混雑時には携帯電話の電源をお切りください。また、それ以外の場所ではマナーモードに切り替え、通話はご遠慮願います。座席 台場です。右側のドアが開きます。ご注意ください。The doors will close when the departure buzzer sounds.
Here we go, we arrived to the main street of Odaiba. Last year, many events were held on this street, but not in this year. Firstly, we are heading to Odaiba Divercity to see the huge Gundam. Yes, that's the one. It's so cool. I wanted to take the intro in front of the Gundam.
Hey guys, welcome to Rise TV. I'm Ryan Seno. Go! So today we are at Odaiba now. As you can see, really few people. So let's check out the place. Well, even so many times I've seen this, I feel like same feeling. That's huge.
Before getting to the Divercity, let's go to check the VenusFort and the huge Ferris wheel. Again, it was super windy day. Odaiba is located in right next to the Tokyo Bay, so it was really cold. This is the closest VenusFort entrance from Odaiba Divercity. I like this entrance because if we use this entrance, we can go to the MegaWeb, where we can see the old cars. It was my first time to see no one here. Well, actually there are security men, but no customers. Speaking of the car, right now I don't have a car, but I have a motorbike instead in Japan. However, when I was studying in the States, I had a car. My first car was Toyota Corolla, which is really old salvaged one. Well, I considered it as a classic car. Maybe not. Even it was really old, but I really loved it because it took me a lot of places. Good memory.
It's beautiful.
Right now, we came back to Diversity. Somehow, the Gundam appearance had been changed. There is a food court in the first floor of Diversity Odaiba. I was here for the live stream last year, and I was kicked out. It was a good memory. There is a Gundam hand sanitizer. Nice, kids must love it. In this food court, there are not so many people here, however, all the stores were opened. In 5th floor of Diversity Odaiba, there is a Round 1 game center, so let's go check there. Wait, is it Attack on Titan? Let's go back and check that store. Oh, that's right, that's Attack on Titan. I thought that's a store, but seems like that's a ride. Let's ask what it is. So basically, that's a VR ride that you can experience the Attack on Titan's world. Seems like it's really exciting. The price is 1,300 Japanese yen. Well, it looks pretty good. But it's hard to share the experience with you, so maybe next time I can try that. Now, let's go to the Round 1 Game Center and try the claw machines. Here we go. In this Round 1 Game Center, there are many claw machines. But first, I need to break my bill. Let's get the coins. Oh, this one seems pretty easy. Let's get this Pichu. Yes, I got it! Oh. Okay, let's try the next one. This is my favorite gummy and it seems easy, so let's try this. Oh, no way. Well, maybe I don't have skills, so let's try this. This one only needs luck. Probably I can get that, because I got the bird poop in Asakusa in the last video. 2021 is my lucky year. Well, maybe I spent all my luck for the bird poop. Never mind. Now it's almost time for the sunset. Let's go to the Odaiba Bay and check the sunset. By the way, no people in the poop museum.
Please do not take food.
Right now we are heading to those buildings, so let's keep walking.
ミルクキャラメルラテ一つもらえますか。ホットの方で。ホットで、はい。はい、これ一つですね。はい。でちょうどですね。はい。はい。すみません。ありがとうございます。
The sunset time in Odaiba, it's really beautiful. Some stores are closed, but still the lights are on. I am so glad that I could share the beautiful scenery with you. If it were not for the pandemic, that Olympic sign would be watching by many people right now. So was this mini Statue of Liberty. Hope the vaccine works and the situation gets better in 2021, and hopefully I can see you in Japan.
So hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more what the Japan looks like, I'm a travel photographer, so I've taken many photos of Japan. So please check my Instagram. And if you haven't checked my previous video, I have visited Asakusa, Akihabara, Shinjuku, and Shibuya. The video link is in my video description. Well, I totally understand a lot of people has to stay at home, so if this video could be a help, I am really happy. Sorry that I can't reply the comments, but I read all the comments. Well, some comments discourage me sometimes, but most of the comments, it became my great motivation to keep shooting videos and making live stream. So if you like the video, please leave me in the comment. Alright, so this video pretty much that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss my new video and surprise live stream. And if you like the video, please share the video with your friend. More power to the channel, more videos. So stay safe, healthy, and happy. See you in the next video. Arigato! Bye bye! Whew. Oh my goodness, this place is really cold. I'm freezing. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Arigato! Bye bye!